In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Privacy. Following that, tap on Permission Manager and tap on one of those options, in my case, Microphone. Now select one of those apps, like Camera, and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you. Microphone access for this app, allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with don't allow, so in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. And finally go back. As you can see, Camera no longer has access to my device's microphone. If you want to, you can always select one of your apps, and instead of picking one of those options, click on See All Camera Permissions. Then manage all of the available ones only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!